is about lap joint welding. One plate is overlapped with another plate. The dimension of this plate is 100 mm length, 6 mm thickness, and 50 mm width. The center point has been marked in both the plates. From that point, we can overlap with another plate. So exactly, uh, the second plate is overlapped with the center point of first plate, so that here we can perform lap joint welding. So after the fixing of center point, we can perform the electric arc welding. Through this, we can achieve lap joint welding. So one side has been completed. The perfect lap joint has been achieved by this electric arc welding. Similarly, the next side also we can perform. Through this electric arc welding, we can achieve a lap joint. So lap joint in the sense one plate is overlapped with another plate. So here the lap joint of both the sides has been completed.